Hey there, I know that you want to improve on your artworks. From this to this. Very normal, because I'm going to show you 5 essential art tools which you need for 2026 so that you may better your artworks. If you're new here, my name is Wamai. I'm a pencil artist based in Kenya, and I'm going to show you how I improved my artworks. Let me show you some art tools that I use. You don't need an expensive art materials. You just need an 8B, a 10B, and a 14B to just start it off. Yeah, so that you may understand light, shadow, and depth, the foundation of great art. And to the sketchbooks. This is one that I use. This is an A5 sketchbook. We have another one. These are the only sketchbooks that I use. This one. Then we have this one. Then we have this one. Yeah, those are the sketchbooks that I use. And to the makeup brushes. For the makeup brushes, I use only a few. This one, and this one. These are used for the blending. And I use a makeup sponge for the blending. Yes. And to the erasers. These are the erasers that I use. This is what you call the electric eraser. This is what you call the mono zero eraser. This is the normal eraser that you know. And this is what you call the kneaded eraser. An additional art tool that you need, this one. This is the icing of the cake. This is one of the best art materials that you need for 2026. It's called a compressed charcoal. I highly recommend this one. So you need to buy this one, guys. Yes. So that talent is overrated. And what actually changes your art is consistency. And if you draw each and every day for 30 minutes, a year, you'll actually beat somebody who draws once a month. No matter how talented they are, you'll actually beat them in an art competition. That's what I did. I drew almost each and every day for a whole year until now. These are the results. You can see this art, and this art, and this art. It's actually changed my life.
I had so much experience through art because I got the opportunity to meet both local and international artists that I could have never thought I would ever meet them in my whole life. If I could not have taken the leap of faith to start drawing, even if how bad it was, I could not have reached to this position. So I just hope that you will be inspired by my story and start that sketch, start that drawing. Be proud of what you create and keep on moving forward and continue creating. Just know that you are the best. Just know that in some few years, in some few months, in some few days, you're going to be the greatest artist that you have ever thought of or dreamed of.
I need to be more vulnerable to you guys because some days I feel like quitting, some days I feel like I have art blocks. But to tell you the truth, guys, is the perseverance, is the consistency that makes me move on. And the urge of me wanting to do great art is what keeps me going. The artists who don't stop is actually the one who wins. That's why I always keep on showing up. Always keep on doing these arts that I'm doing so that I may be a great artist one day, and I just hope that you will be one day also be the greatest artist that you have always imagined to be. If you're starting in 2026, and this is what you need to know. First of all, start with what you have, simple art tools. Second, believe in yourself that you can do it. Don't give up. Even if your art looks bad, tomorrow may look the best. Always hype yourself. Learn from your mistakes. Don't compare chapter 1 with somebody's chapter 120. Just believe in yourself, trust the process, believe in yourself, and do art. That's why I have a favorite phrase that I always say, that draw it till you make it. You may start your drawing right now and you don't like it, but tomorrow may be your best, maybe your biggest drawing that you have ever done and you're proud of. So just do the drawing that you're proud of. Do art that you're proud of. If this video has really inspired you, kindly subscribe if you want to grow as an artist in 2026. I don't want to lose you guys. Let us all transform, do great art, do art that you're really proud of, and I can't wait for 2026 so that you may show me what you got. And kindly comment, let me know which art tones you're going to start in 2026. Don't forget to like it. Bye guys, until the next art.